Today, we will be going over the most common Spanish prepositions. This video's format is simple. First, I'm teaching you everything you need to know about Spanish prepositions and how to use them. Then, you will watch an exciting story with Spanish subtitles featuring these prepositions in all their forms so that you can learn them in context. And finally, you'll watch the story again with English subtitles to check your comprehension. ¡Vamos! Prepositions are words that indicate position, time, direction, possession, and more. They are commonly used in everyday conversation and are key to becoming fluent in any language. For example, yo vivo en Madrid. I live in Madrid. Eso está sobre la mesa. That is over the table. In these examples, the prepositions en and sobre are used to indicate where someone or something is located. Let's take a look at the following prepositions. A, tú. This preposition is used to indicate direction or motion towards a specific place or person. It is often used with verbs that involve movement or action, such as ir, venir, llegar, and llamar. In English, a is usually translated as tú or at. For example, voy a la escuela. I'm going to school. Le doy un libro a Juan. I'm giving a book to Juan. Escribe una carta a tu amiga. Write a letter to your friend. If you're unfamiliar with articles like un and una, make sure to watch our video about Spanish articles. Al, to the. This preposition indicates movement towards a specific masculine noun. This is a contraction of a and el used when el refers to a specific noun. In Spanish, we don't really say a, el. Whenever a sentence is structured that way, it automatically converts those two words into al. For example, voy a el colegio would naturally become voy al colegio. I'm going to the school. Al is commonly used with verbs like ir, llevar, and regresar. In English, al is translated as to the. For example, voy al cine. I'm going to the cinema. Vamos al parque. We're going to the park. Con means with. It is used to indicate that someone or something is accompanied by another person or thing. It is often used with verbs like hablar, vivir, and comer. For example, leo un libro con mi amiga. I'm reading a book with my friend. Salgo a pasear con mi perro. I go for a walk with my dog. ¿Quieres comer con Juan? Do you want to eat with Juan? De means of or from. It indicates possession, origin, or material. It is commonly used with verbs like ser, venir, and necesitar. For example, la casa de Juan, Juan's house. Soy de México. I'm from Mexico. Una taza de café, a cup of coffee. En means in or on. It indicates location or time. It is commonly used with verbs like estar, vivir, and trabajar. For example, estoy en la casa. I'm in the house. El libro está en la mesa. The book is on the table. Hey, don't miss this video where we will learn everything about Spanish genders while diving into an exciting surprise party. Para. Para means for or to, and it indicates purpose, destination, goal, or a deadline. It is commonly used with verbs like estudiar, trabajar, and regalar. For example, compré un regalo para mi mamá. I bought a gift for my mom. Estudio para aprender español. I study to learn Spanish. Trabajo para una compañía. I work for a company. Por. Por can mean for, through, or because of. It indicates the reason, duration, or means. It is commonly used with verbs like gracias, viajar, and pagar. For example, gracias por tu ayuda. Thanks for your help. Camino por el parque. I walk through the park. Trabajo por dinero. I work for money. It is important to differentiate por and para, which can both mean for. Para is used for purpose, intent, destination, or recipient. Para answers what is it for or who is it for. For example, estudio español para comunicarme mejor. I study Spanish to communicate better. Vamos para la playa. We're going to the beach. Por, for, is used for cause, motive, means, exchange, or duration. Por answers why or how. For example, gracias por la ayuda. Thanks for the help. Viajo por avión. I travel by plane. Pagué 10 euros por el libro. I paid 10 euros for the book. Estudiamos por 2 horas. We studied for 2 hours. Sobre. Sobre means on or about. It indicates the topic of a conversation or the position of something over something else. It is commonly used with verbs like hablar, escribir, and conversar. For example, vamos a hablar sobre el libro. We're going to talk about the book. Escribo sobre ti. I write about you. El libro está sobre la mesa. The book is on the table. Last but not least, we have compound prepositions. These are formed by adding a preposition to a pronoun or adverb, and it can also be used to indicate location, direction, time, and other positions, but they translate a bit differently. For example, dentro de. El libro está dentro del armario. The book is inside the closet. Encima de. El gato está encima de la mesa. The cat is on top of the table. Cerca de. Vivo cerca del parque. I live near the park. Now, let's watch this fun story to see prepositions in action. Make sure you watch until the end to find out what happens.
Hola Claudia, ¿dónde estás?
Hola David, estoy en el parque. Estoy con mi perro. ¿Y tú?
Yo también estoy en el parque.
Yo estoy por el mercado. ¿Y tú?
Yo voy para los árboles.
¿Vas a caminar?
Sí, estoy sobre el puente.
Yo estoy junto al árbol.
¿El árbol de flores?
No, el árbol de naranjas.
¿Estás por el árbol de naranjas?
Sí, ahora estoy en el bosque con mi perro.
Claudia, en este parque no hay perros.
¿No hay perros?
If you like this video, you love the upcoming beginner-friendly FluentU course. It's going to have more engaging stories with helpful teacher explanations. It'll be organized in a way that's more effective for learning, and there will be exclusive content that you won't be able to find anywhere else. The course will also integrate clips from movie scenes, TV shows, and more. Of course, there will be personalized quizzes and speaking questions to make it all stick. Try FluentU right now for free. Just sign up for a 2-week trial using the link in the description below. Plus, FluentU is currently having a sale, so it's the perfect time to check it out.
¿No hay perros?
No. ¿Cómo se llama ese parque?
Parque de las Naranjas.
Yo estoy en el parque de los plátanos.
Estamos en parques diferentes.
Nos vemos sobre el puente del mercado.
Voy para allá.
Now, let's watch the video again with English subtitles and see how much you understood.
Hola Claudia, ¿dónde estás?
Hola David, estoy en el parque. Estoy con mi perro. ¿Y tú?
Yo también estoy en el parque.
Yo estoy por el mercado. ¿Y tú?
Yo voy para los árboles.
¿Vas a caminar?
Sí, estoy sobre el puente.
Yo estoy junto al árbol.
¿El árbol de flores?
No, el árbol de naranjas.
¿Estás por el árbol de naranjas?
Sí, ahora estoy en el bosque con mi perro.
Claudia, en este parque no hay perros.
¿No hay perros?
No. ¿Cómo se llama ese parque?
Parque de las naranjas.
Yo estoy en el parque de los plátanos.
Estamos en parques diferentes.
Nos vemos sobre el puente del mercado.
Voy para allá.
Next up, we will learn everything about subject pronouns and how to use them seamlessly in conversation. Stay tuned as we dive into this video where Maria and Juan have a fun and surprising first date.